Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is known for its swirling clouds, gaseous atmosphere, and massive storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. But what if we could transform this gas giant into a habitable planet with a solid surface? Welcome to AgiRex. In this video, we will explore the possibilities of terraforming Jupiter and creating a solid surface on the planet. To terraform Jupiter and create a solid surface, we would need to overcome a number of significant challenges. Some of the key steps that we would need to take include removing the existing atmosphere of Jupiter. To create a solid surface on Jupiter, we would need to first remove the massive gas giant's existing atmosphere. This is a task that would require an enormous amount of energy and resources. The temperature at the core of Jupiter is so high that even metals are in a liquid or gaseous state. To create a solid surface, we would need to lower the temperature significantly. This could be done by using mirrors or other devices to reflect sunlight away from the planet, or by creating a shade that blocks sunlight. Jupiter is not a solid planet, so we would need to add mass to create a solid surface. This could be done by crushing asteroids or comets into the planet to create a core, or by bringing in other materials from elsewhere in the solar system. Once we have created a solid surface, we would need to create an atmosphere that could support life. This would require a balance of oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases that are necessary for life. Finally, we would need to establish an ecosystem on Jupiter to support human life. This would involve introducing plants and animals to the planet and creating an environment in which they can thrive. One possibility for terraforming Jupiter would be to introduce large amounts of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen into the atmosphere. This could create a thicker atmosphere, which in turn would raise the planet's temperature and pressure, leading to the formation of a solid surface. The introduction of these gases could be achieved through various means, such as mining and transporting materials from other planets or comets, or by using specialized technology to extract the gases from Jupiter's atmosphere itself. Another option for creating a solid surface on Jupiter would be to use nanobots, which are microscopic robots that could work together to create a solid surface. These nanobots could be programmed to collect and compress the atmospheric gases and other materials into a solid surface, forming a foundation for a new habitat. Of course, terraforming Jupiter would be a monumental task that would require decades or even centuries of effort, and we would need to address a number of potential challenges and risks. For instance, the intense radiation and strong magnetic field would require the development of specialized materials and shielding technology to protect any human or animal life on the planet. Despite the challenges, terraforming Jupiter could also offer many potential benefits. A habitable planet in our own solar system could provide a new home for humanity, and a solid surface could offer the opportunity for mining and exploration of the planet's natural resources. It could also serve as a valuable testing ground for new technologies and scientific research. In conclusion, terraforming Jupiter and creating a solid surface on the planet would be an ambitious and challenging project, but it could also offer tremendous potential benefits for our future as a species. It would require collaboration, innovation, and dedication to succeed, but the potential rewards could be well worth the effort.